Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today the new season of Bungou Stray Dogs was released, and for those of you who know me, you know that I'm a huge fan of that series. Like, I bought every season so far and every manga, and I'm really excited to finally watch it. And that's why I'm going to do a makeup tutorial for Nakahara Chuuya today. I sadly couldn't do Daza yet because I'm, to be honest, terrified of the wig. I messed it up 4 times and I got so unlucky with that. So it will be Chuuya again, but I'm really excited to show that makeup look to you, and I hope you're having a lot of fun with this tutorial and the new season of Bungou Stray Dogs. Let's get started! First, I will use some tape again to lift up my eyebrows. You kinda need to try the positioning yourself and on your face if you want to do that as well. So I can't really give you any advice, just try to not pull your eyes too much and make it look unnatural. Also on this point I need to say again that this doesn't change my eye shape, so spare the comments, I'm just lifting my droopy eyes. I then start off my routine with a primer. I'm linking all the products I'm using down below. I'm just evenly applying it all over my face. My skin always turns a bit red when I touch it or apply something on it. I don't know why, but it's normal. I also apply the primer on the top of my eyelids because it helps the eyeshadow stick better. After that I use my most favorite foundation from Etude House and just apply it with a sponge all over my face as well. I have to apply this all over my face as well because it's really high covering and I'm aiming for a rather unnatural look. Tapping it in like that certainly does take some time, but I think the results are really worth it. Make sure to not press onto your skin too much, as you will leave weird stamp marks and it's really hard to blend that out again. I then proceed with some concealer. It's used to highlight darker areas and conceal unwanted spots. So I recommend applying it everywhere where you have shadows that you feel are like too dark or too deep. Just make sure to not overuse it, as this can make your makeup greasy in the end. For applying, just blend it out like you did with the foundation before. I then use baby powder to finish my look off. I said it multiple times, I will get a proper powder in Japan, but I really don't want that shiny looking makeup because I just don't like it on myself. For Chuuya, I use a red toned eyeshadow palette and start off with this shade as the base shade. And I'm just going to apply it all over my upper and lower eyelid. For the lower one, I usually squint my eyes a little, as that makes application easier. I then take the shade next to it for shading. I apply the shade on the outer and inner corner of my eye. Also, make sure to blend it out well. Then take the alluring shade from the opalescent palette to shade my lower eyelid. Like with the upper one, I'm just applying it on the outer corner. Next is one of the key items for all of my makeup looks, the eyeliner. The goal here is to make your upper eyelid look straight on top, kinda a little bit cat or fox-like. I also just draw a thin line because I feel like Bungou Stray Dogs has rather natural looking characters, but that's up to your own taste. I then connect it to a very thin line from the inner corner of my eye, just to make it look evenly dark but not change the shape too much. After that, I extend it towards the inner corner of my eye to not throw the whole line off balance. I try to make the wing blend into my lash line. That keeps the line thin and helps blending into your natural eye shape. Also, make it pointed at the end to make it look much cleaner. I then draw a small hook pointing towards the center of my eye if extended. Now we take this brown shade to line our lower lash line and connect that line to the eyeliner we drew before. This creates the illusion that our eyeliner is actually connected to our eye. I then use this brown eyeliner to define the line we drew just now. Note that I'm only applying a very thin line close to my eye. We proceed with a black kohl pencil and apply it to our lower waterline. When that's done, we take this brown shade to mark an aegyophile. When we marked it, we take this dark brown to actually shade it. Make sure that it rather follows the line of your eyeliner than your actual line, if that should differ for you. I also used the dark brown to extend my crease. This further helps creating the illusion of our new eye. Now we use the same tone we used for shading our eye to reshade that whole thing. We proceed with a lighter color for highlighting. Applying it here on top would usually make your eye look wider and more open. Also, I have some rather unpleasant shadows there, so I like to cover them up a little more. I further enhanced the highlight with a shimmery tone. Don't forget to stay hydrated after finishing your eye makeup. Now onto the lip makeup. First, cover it up with some foundation. If you have dry lips like me, apply some moisturizer beforehand. I then take this light brown shade and apply it all over my lips. The shade you're choosing should match the tone of your foundation, like if you're a cool tone, choose a cool tone, if you're warm tone, choose a rather warm tone. And it should be a little darker to make your lips look natural. I use the same shade for contouring. Contouring your eyebrows like this will make them appear a little harder and helps you appear more manly. By contouring my nose, I want to make it look slim and straight. I need to admit I still have a lot to learn when it comes to contouring. I then use this dark red shade to contour my lips. I only applied on the inner part first. The part closest to the opening of your mouth should be the part that is the darkest. After, follow the line of your upper lip to extend it a little outwards and make your lips look wider. For some reason that actually helps with looking a little more manly. I then try to accentuate my upper lip in that V-shape-ish form to make it look a little more defined, but if you're not into that and if that maybe looks like too androgynous for you, you can also leave out that step. It's time for the highlighter. Find a shade that best matches your wig and draw your eyebrows with that. For Chuuya, I want to make my eyebrows straight as possible but still thin. I then apply a little bit of mascara just to make my eyelashes as dark as the eyeliner, but you don't need to do that if that elongates it too much. And we're done!
Thank
thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. I hope you like it and maybe could learn something that you can maybe apply to your own makeup routine. I would really appreciate any like, any subscription, comment down below what you want to see next. Especially comment down below what you want me to film in Japan, since I'm here now and I just have so many ideas and I don't even know where to start. So just tell me what you would like to see. And yes, every interaction of you helps me achieve my dreams. So see you next time!